Hey everybody, good morning. I hope you had a wonderful spring break last week. Today's video is going to be how to open up the online textbooks. The instructions for this are on my teacher page and they are always there. I'll never take them off and you will always have all of the steps there. But today Mrs. Hanley is going to walk you through those steps so you see how it works. And anytime you forget and need to watch it again, you can watch my video because I'll leave this on our website as well. So here's how it goes. On our teacher page, halfway down it says Sadlier website for online textbooks. And there is the website. You are to copy and paste that into the search bar. Copy and paste it. And when you do, you'll see this, Sadlier. This is the website. As you scroll halfway down, our instructions tell us to click eBooks right there. And so you click eBooks. The username and the password are there again. I typed in Sadlier student, no spaces, and then ready to learn, no spaces. But there are some capitals, so be sure to type it in exactly as it says on the instructions. Then log in. Here is the bookshelf of all of our books that we will be using this year. We're going to start with the math textbook. So you scroll to the bottom where you see math. And there is our green math book that we use. There is another green math book with a blue soccer ball. And I am going to assign some assignments like today from this math book, not just our big green math book, but this one as well. In addition, there are some vocabulary books. Our vocabulary is green and our phonics book is green. So these are many of the books that you will see that I will ask you to open up. For example, today's vocabulary workshop is to read a story from our vocabulary workshop. So you click on vocabulary workshop and hit unit 1, introducing the words. And Mrs. Hanley will always give you specific instructions as to what to do in the homework. So if you hit introducing the words, unit 1 story shows, and it's a fable about a fox and grapes. And so today's job is to read this story and write 2 facts and 2 opinions that you see in the story. So today's is. One other great feature about this online text is that you can listen to the story as well. So if you click the play sign here,
The Fox and the Grapes, an Aesop fable.
You can hear it as well as read it yourself. You can hear it, which is a great thing. So then you want to go to the back button way over here to get back to the shelf. And you keep backing out until you see the shelf of books. And you want to go all the way to the bottom to the math and the vocabulary for today's online textbooks. So today's math is 2 and 3 and 4-digit multiplication again. Tomorrow I'll be teaching about regrouping in multiplication, but for now we're going to practice 4 digits. We want to get our math problems from this math book with the blue soccer ball. So click on that. On my teacher page I have all the instructions. Go down. Chapters are over here. You'll go to chapter 10 today. Then you'll go to lesson 10-7, multiplying 3 digits. There are 4 digits as well. And when you get here, there will be a little review of what Mrs. Hanley taught you last week about multiplying 3 digits. The big boxes here tell us, first we multiply the ones, 3 times 2, for example. Then we multiply the tens, 2 times 2, for example. lining up our number, 4. And then multiplying the hundreds. 1 times 2 is 2, for a product of 246. So here's a little review of the lesson Mrs. Hanley taught you last week. There's some math problems down the bottom, but we're going to go back up and look at the top right where it says pages 1 of 2. 1 of 2. Please click that. Go to second page where it says multiplying 4 digits. Again, there are instructions on top to help. And your job today is to do numbers 21 to 30. That is all on our teacher page, but this is how to access the book.